Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very awesome decoration very easily at home. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and stay updated on all my future uploads. All the decorations on my channel are exclusive, which you can find nowhere else on the internet, so that's reason enough for you to subscribe. For this decoration we'll be needing 3 different colors of heart balloons. I'll be using pink heart balloon, red heart balloon and white heart balloon, and of each color we'll be needing 2 pieces. To inflate them I'll be using a balloon pump and we'll inflate all the balloons. And we'll tie a mannequin knot. Like this we are going to inflate all the balloons. Next I have 3 different color paper here. I have pink paper, red paper and white paper, and we will be making small circles out of these. If you have a circular object you can make a circle with that. Or if you want, you can use a compass and you can make a circle with that. I'm going to use a compass. I set my compass at distance of 2.5 centimeters and I'm going to make small circles. And we will cut out the circles. After we have made the circles, we'll take pink color wool and we'll take 1 meter in length of it, and in total we'll be taking 6 pieces of 1 meter. We will take 1 piece wool and we will take a piece of tape, and on the wool we will paste all the circles that we have. We will start with the red. Then we will paste the pink. Then we'll paste the white. And in the same order we'll continue. Like this we are going to make all the garlands here. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing and check out my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find awesome ideas to make your occasion special.